Hi everybody, it's time to prune this beautiful vivarium. I love this vivarium because of this colorful plant and lovely plants. It should be pruned. Oh. The other one is this Paludarium, and this one should be Prune. Look at all of these plants. This Paludarium had 4-year-old. Okay. I got this beautiful begonia. Oh, lovely begonia. I take this plant in this moss. I hope to be grown again. Okay. Oh, a lot of creeptanthus behind this plant. All of these creeptanthus can be grown again. You should keep them in the moss like this. I love this pyramid. You see. Oh, look at this Vivarium. It had been little baby. I love this Vivarium. And the other plant, Persian shield, Pamela. Look at this Paludarium, and all of this plant removed from this Paludarium. Some of them can be used again, but the other one we can't use again. And Scriptanthus, Macravia, Pamela. Back to this Vivarium. I love this terrarium. Okay, look at this beautiful fern and this lovely plant. Some of leaf of this Paludarium should be cut. So lovely. Look at this plant. Oh.